Welcome to Oraculum Accounting. This session introduces the foundational concepts of organizations and businesses within modern economic systems. Understanding how people, resources, and financial information are organized forms the basis for studying accounting and financial decision-making. Understanding an organization. An organization is a structured arrangement of individuals and resources working together to achieve common objectives. Responsibilities, authority, and communication channels are organized to coordinate activities effectively. Through clear structure and defined procedures, organizations ensure efficiency, accountability, and continuity of operations. Meaning and purpose of an organization. An organization exists to coordinate human effort and resources in an organized framework. Tasks are assigned, authority is distributed, and procedures guide the completion of activities. This structure enables cooperation, organized decision-making, and operational stability. Within organizations, financial decisions are made and accounting records are maintained to support accountability and control. Understanding a business. A business is a specialized form of organization engaged in economic activity. It combines resources such as capital, labor, technology, and management to produce goods or services. These outputs are offered to customers in exchange for revenue, creating economic value within markets. Nature and economic role of a business. Businesses operate within economic systems influenced by demand, competition, and government regulation. They organize productive resources to create goods or services that satisfy market needs. Business activities generate financial transactions, which are recorded through accounting systems to measure performance and support decision-making. Organization and business. Organizations represent a broad framework that includes many types of institutions. Businesses are one category within this framework, focused primarily on commercial and economic activities. Understanding the relationship between organizations and businesses helps explain how institutional systems function within the economy. Distinction between organization and business. An organization is any structured group formed to achieve specific objectives. Businesses are organizations specifically designed to conduct commercial activities and generate financial returns. While every business requires organizational structure, many organizations operate for social, public, or charitable purposes, rather than profit. Types of organizations. Organizations can be classified into different institutional sectors, depending on their purpose and operational framework. Profit-oriented organizations focus on generating financial returns through commercial activity. Public sector organizations provide services funded through taxation and government resources. Non-profit organizations operate to achieve social, humanitarian, or community objectives. Classification of organizations. Each organizational category follows different governance, accountability, and reporting systems. Profit organizations emphasize financial performance and market competitiveness. Public sector organizations focus on delivering public services and policy implementation. Non-profit institutions prioritize social impact and responsible resource management. Types of businesses. Businesses can operate under various ownership and legal structures. Common forms include sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, cooperatives, and social enterprises. Each structure determines how ownership is defined, how responsibilities are distributed, and how profits are shared. Forms of business ownership. A sole proprietorship is owned and controlled by a single individual responsible for all decisions and outcomes. A partnership involves two or more individuals who share management responsibilities and profits. Corporations operate as separate legal entities owned by shareholders. Cooperatives function to serve the economic interests of their members, while social enterprises combine commercial activity with social objectives. Product businesses and service businesses. Businesses generally create value through either products or services. Product businesses manufacture or distribute tangible goods that can be stored and transported. Service businesses provide intangible value through labor, knowledge, and professional expertise. Products and services in business activity. Product-based businesses sell physical goods that are produced, stored, and distributed to customers. Accounting systems track inventory levels, production costs, and cost of goods sold. Service businesses deliver value through expertise or labor, and revenue is recognized when services are provided to customers. Core functional pillars. Several institutional functions support the effective operation of organizations and businesses. These include finance, accounting, taxation, auditing, management, and public administration. Each function plays a critical role in ensuring that organizational activities operate within financial, regulatory, and administrative frameworks. Key functions supporting organizations and businesses. Finance manages funding, investments, and the allocation of financial resources. Accounting records transactions, prepares financial statements, and provides information for decision-making. Taxation governs legal obligations related to income and transactions. Auditing evaluates financial records to ensure accuracy and transparency. Management coordinates people and resources to achieve organizational objectives. Public administration establishes the regulatory environment within which organizations and businesses operate. Conclusion: understanding organizations and businesses provides the foundation for studying accounting and financial systems. These institutional structures coordinate people, resources, and economic activities within the broader economy. Accounting provides the tools needed to record, analyze, and communicate financial information in these systems. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more informative content.